Okay, back to it. Lance is trying to get us over to the dam right behind us. And you had to put the water in the oar into the water, sweetie. What are you listening for?
Just listening. I want to see if we get
So pretty.
stuff over. See if our fish by the dam in this rock. Oh, sorry.
Yeah, try not to throw water at me. Did you do that on purpose? Never.
So calm, dude. We're camping. Just got an RV.
I love the ducks quacking.
Yeah, they quacked me up too.
Hoo, hoo, hoo. So, Lance, have you caught any fish yet?
Hell no. My wife doesn't get me out. I don't have to catch fish. Whoa.
Mm-hmm.
I have something.
Doesn't look like anything to me.
Yeah, we'll see.
There's the dam. It's not a very big dam, it's just...
Nice.
See, there's the separation. I'm supposed to throw the anchor out. Okay. And release. Oh, crap. You just got that all over my foot. Dirty lake water. See, I'm sitting on a cushion. And we're both sitting in the middle of the canoe. Very nice. Earlier there was a couple, well, a group from Germany. It's just a bait. Is it that icky sardine thing?
No, not quite.
What are you bait using?
Shad. Maybe I'll catch.
That stuff smells bad, right?
Not that bad.
Not as
like
bad
the
as
other stuff.
sardines. That stuff's nasty.
You want it to smell out.
For the catfish? Dude, that looks like grain and a half.
Like grain?
Rain. Especially right there. I hope we don't get caught in rain. That would suck. Okay, guys. I'm signing off.